In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query data using Salesforce Inspector. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the tool, open it from your Salesforce dashboard, enter a query, and preview the results with confidence. First, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. This is a lightweight extension designed to make working with Salesforce data faster and more intuitive, especially when you need to run quick SOQL queries. When you find it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a short prompt about permissions. Go ahead and confirm so the extension can run properly in your browser. Once it's added, switch back to your Salesforce dashboard. Being on the correct org and logged in helps the extension connect seamlessly, so double-check you're in the environment where you want to query data. Now, click the Salesforce Inspector icon in your browser to open its tool window. In that window, choose Data Export. This is the place where you'll write and run your query. Think of it as a compact console for SOQL, right inside your browser, tied to the page you're already viewing. Next, enter your export query. If you're new to SOQL, it's similar to SQL but tailored for Salesforce objects. A simple example could be selected name from account limit 10. You can adjust the object and fields to match what you need. Keep your query focused so it runs quickly and returns only the columns that matter. It's a good idea to start with a limit clause while you're testing, then expand once you're confident the query is correct. Also, make sure field names exist on the object you're querying, and consider adding where filters to narrow down results when necessary. When your query looks good, click Run Export to preview the results first. This is a safe way to verify the output before you do anything else. You'll see a results table with the columns you selected. Review the values, confirm the fields are correct, and check that the filters are working as expected. If something doesn't look right, just tweak the query and run it again. Iterating here saves time and avoids pulling unnecessary data. And there you go. Once you've run and reviewed your export query in Salesforce Inspector, you've successfully queried data right from your browser. That's all you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Salesforce Inspector to make your data work more efficient and precise.